A home and a car, two necessities in life that can really cost you. There are ways that insurance companies claim they're saving you money on both of those, but are they really? Kelly Turton is here to answer some questions. He's the president of Family Select Insurance, here to share secrets to saving money. Kelly, well, first off, tell me about your family business.
Well, we have an insurance agency. It's an independent insurance agency here in St. Matthews. My son, my daughter-in-law, the whole kit and caboodle is really kind of manning the program over there, and so we're doing a pretty good job, and saving people money. That's the main thing.
That's the whole idea, saving money. And then I know your son too, because he's also a radio producer.
There you go.
He's a fine lad, by the way. He raised a good boy there.
Well, there you go, and it's a small world.
All right, now a trap a lot of us find ourselves in is we have an agent that we knew 25 years ago or whatever, and you just every year just go re-up or you change, and you never really investigate if there's a better deal somewhere.
Right.
Help me with that.
Well, and that's the biggest mistake most people make is they probably a lot of people in this town, they've gone with somebody who they went to high school with. They become their insurance agent. They stick with them for 10, 20, 30, 40 years even, and they really don't shop because they think this loyalty builds up better discounts over the time. The problem with that is it may be the best price with that particular company they're with, but there's other companies out there that are actually lower. So that's where we step in, is because we shop for the people that have stuck it out with so long with so many people.
Yeah, and I have to suspect that over the years that pricing structure changes with companies, and I don't really realize it because it's a monthly hit that comes automatically out of my checking account. I don't really study that closely. I just think, oh, that's my friend, the insurance agent.
Exactly right. I mean, it's kind of there, and most people don't want to deal with it. It's a boring subject. It's a dry subject. I mean, who really wants to mess with their insurance?
Unless you've been in an accident, that's an interesting subject.
Yeah, well, there you go. And then, of course, it's there when you need it. But really, insurance you can save a lot of money by just simply shopping. I mean, if I had to give one piece of advice, it would certainly be shop your insurance. We get a lot of customers at our agency that have been with the same insurance company for year after year, thinking that's the best way to go. They give us a call because we do advertise and get the word out, and they're just shocked. I mean, we have people coming in in our office, and they're just surprised by what they can save.
All right, well, some of it I think that takes people back a little bit as they think, well, it's going to be complicated. I'm going to have to go and find files and this and that or whatever. How complicated is it to change off?
It's not really complicated at all. I mean, in the old days it was like that, and that probably shows that people haven't done anything since the old days because they think that way. It's become very automated. It's very computerized. We're very high tech. We pull a lot of reports that are automated. We can, people call us up. They give us a price. You can certainly come into the office. We'd like to meet you if you come in the office, but you don't have to. You can sign all the paperwork online, so it can be from the convenience of your house.
So the whole idea is, though, that you are shopping for us. Is that the basic premise? Your slogan is because choice matters. I'm going to guess that you guys are you're constantly on the prowl for the best rates.
Well, here's what the deal is there's a statistic that says 60% or better of people in Kentucky and Indiana have their insurance with an agent that offers only one insurance company, one price. That'd be like going to a car lot and seeing one car on the lot. There'd just be nothing to pick from. We, on the other hand, we have a dozen or so different insurance companies, so we shop and pick and choose to find the right fit for you and the right price, and that's really how it works.
Well, that makes it seem a whole lot better then all of a sudden. I like choice.
There you go. Yeah.
Choice is good for all that.
For a lot of things.
Well, I appreciate the education on that. No complication.
Right.
Just open yourself up to examining some new, I'm telling everybody needs insurance, just open yourself up to some new ideas to save yourself some money.
Right.
Kelly, great talking to you.
Thanks, Terry. Nice to be here.
I appreciate it. Hey, find out how much you can save with Family Select Insurance. Just call this number, 454-SAVE. That's 7238. You can go online to FamilySelectInsurance.com.
Great Day Live on WHAS 11 is sponsored by Family Select Insurance.